Hello guys, in this video we will see how to rename a table column in PostgreSQL. We will see this by using two methods. One by using pgadmin, that is GUI tool, and another by using command prompt, that is PSQL shell. But the process is same for all operating systems like Windows, Linux or Mac OS. So if you want to install pgadmin, then go through the link provided in the video description and install it. Let me open pgadmin. This is the pgadmin console. If you haven't added server, click on add new server, then provide the name anything, then provide the connection. If it is a localhost, you have to give. Let me cancel, let me close this one because I have already added, but I will show you the properties. Expand servers, right click, connect. C, right click, properties, connection, C. Localhost I have given, port number, then password. Okay, then database name and username. Close this one. In the same way, if you want to add, click on right servers, register, then server. Here name can be anything. Here give the IP of your machine name, port number, maintenance database, username, password. Okay, close this one. Yes, expand this one, go to databases. Now we will see how to rename a column. Sales, schemas, see, I have only one schema, that is public. Expand it, go to tables, expand like orders, click on columns, right click on this order date, then select properties. Then here we have to change the name, underscore new, anything as per your requirement. Then click on save. Even you can get the SQL statement here. Copy this one and you can execute in query state. I'm not going to do. Okay, click on save. See, it has been changed. Even if you query, select query tool, select star from table name is orders where 1 equals to 2. It will give only the table structure. See, column name has been changed to order date underscore new. Okay, even if you want to change back to old, click on properties, remove this one, click on save. Now again run this query. See, it has been changed to old one. Okay, this is the one way of changing, but we can run that SQL statement here or in PSQL. Okay, both are same, so I am going to show you in PSQL shell. Open PSQL shell, provide server name or host name, localhost, so I am not going to give. Database also Postgres, port same, username also same, provide the password of this user. Let me verify list of databases. See, I have these databases. Let me switch to our target database. So sales. So let me verify list of tables. See, I have these many tables. Even if I want to see the particular table information, //dt, then table name, orders, then d plus is enough. See, this is the column names, data types and constraint information. Okay, so now again we are going to change this column name order underscore date to order underscore date underscore new. Okay, command is alter table name is orders, hit enter. Rename is the keyword, then provide the current name is order underscore date to new name, order underscore date underscore new. Put semicolon at the end of the statement and hit enter. It is success. Again verify /d plus orders. See, column name has been changed. Even we can go here, tables, right click, refresh, expand columns again. See, column name has been changed. Even if you run that select statement, you will find here. Select it, execute it. It is typo. Select it, execute it. See, column name has been changed. Okay, even if you want to rename back, use the same alter table table name orders, rename order underscore date underscore new to order underscore date. It is done. Verify again. See, order date. It is back to order date. Even if you run this one, see, column name has been changed to old name. Even if you refresh, see, it has been changed. So in this video we have seen how to rename a column in PostgreSQL Server by using pgadmin and PSQL tool. For more PostgreSQL Server videos, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.